friends, I'm Smita. Welcome to our channel Smita and Prateek's vlog. Today I'm back with another very interesting travel log. By looking at this statue, you can guess where are we. Stay tuned, make sure you watch till the end to know what is this place called. Aren't you excited? Long time we are visiting this very calm, cool place. Feel very happy. Feels like I'm walking into a place where roof itself is made from trees. Very nice. Chidappa, amma ninge hang piti marto. Hangu uppa kortu. Hang malkettu nanu ninu. Oh, tweetu. So after all this hype, now you know where are we. We are at Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary. If you visit Ranganthittu and don't go for boating, it's not possible, right? So let's go for a boat ride, friends. Stay tuned. This is how our journey started. Great welcome, friends. I really don't remember name of these birds, but seriously, it was a festival for eyes. Oh my god, really. See there how it's flying. Friends, fasten your seatbelt. Look what's coming there. Watch out. Oh, it's a croc. But look at their attitude. Do they even care? No, they are in their own world.
Iceberg.
You can listen to the guide for more details.
Cutting player.
While we enjoyed their company, they also enjoyed our company. Look at them, how they are watching us. So we came to know that these are all our local birds, like from Karnataka or any other states from India. And other than that, from Australia as well as Siberia, birds will come. And you know what? They don't need to apply for visa and passport. They can fly anywhere and everywhere. They are so free. I wish I could be one of them, but nevertheless, I can enjoy their beauty. It's like dream come true for me, friends. I always wanted to visit here, but after a long time I came here finally.
Black tip, yellow tip ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
You can listen how happy we were, isn't it? In between such a beautiful environment and with birds. Oh my god, see, look at them, how they're flying. Listen him carefully.
ಮಗು
Our guide was very sweet enough to show each and everything to all of us, and he looked like Puneet Rajkumar and spoke like him. Remembered Puneet Rajkumar after seeing him. It's a great thing, you know. If you agree with me, then fine. Otherwise, no problem, that's okay. Opinion differs. You can't get enough of this beauty, but anyway, it's time to say goodbye for boat ride. I have noticed one thing, many of you are watching my videos. It's a great thing, I'm very happy for that, but you are not subscribing to our channel. That's not fair, right? So please subscribe our channel. It will boost me up, it will support me so that I can make more and more good videos. Thank you. Please subscribe. All from today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share with your friends and family and comment, like, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.